Hey there, I wanted to make a quick video showing you how to make the Divi Blurb module align all the way to the left. So here I have the Blurb module, and actually I've added some custom CSS to get the arrow over to the right, but the main point here is that we want it to be aligned left here, and it's kind of like we see that there's no margin. I'm not going to go look at it, but if we look at the margin, we'll see there's no margin, but it's still not aligning correctly. That's because the width here, or the content width, has a max width, or max width. So we have to go and set this. If we set this to 100%, it's going to make the element actually 100%. And we can see that if we don't have it at 100%, we can probably inspect it here. Okay, I'm not going to inspect it, but yeah, just set it to 100%. It's going to make it max width. Otherwise, it'll max out at 550, and then it'll center the module, and yeah, that's it. So good luck with that. Bye.